Hello everyone and welcome to Neat Buddy. If you have been following our daily MCQ series till now, then you would be knowing what we are doing here right now. I'm providing you with 15 MCQs in jumbled format from all of the chapters of class 11th and class 12th NCERT biology so that you are able to crack the upcoming NEET exam with confidence by practicing these little extra MCQs over other students. So without wasting much time, let's get started with 15 MCQs for today. Question number 1. The rate of formation of new organic matter by rabbit in a grassland is secondary productivity, net primary productivity, gross primary productivity, net productivity. The correct answer is option 1, that is secondary productivity. Question number 2. In genetic engineering, the antibiotics are used. Option 1. To select healthy vectors. Option 2. As sequence from where replication starts. Option 3. To keep cultures free of infection. Or option 4. As selectable markers. What is the use of antibiotics in genetic engineering? The correct answer is they are used as selectable markers. Question number 3. In secretory phase in the human menstrual cycle is also called. The secretory phase in human menstrual cycle is also called as. Option 1. Follicular phase lasting for 6 days. Luteal phase lasting for 13 days. Follicular phase lasting for 13 days or luteal phase lasting for about 6 days. Secretory phase is also called as. The correct answer is option 2. It is also called as luteal phase and lasts for about 13 days. Remember the term secretory phase, it refers to the ovarian cycle. Luteal phase refers to the endometrial cycle. Luteal because the changes that are occurring in the endometrium. Secretory phase because the ovary is secreting progesterone. Question number 4. In gobar gas, the maximum amount is that of methane, propane, carbon dioxide, butane. In gobar gas, the maximum amount is that of which of the following gases? The correct answer is option 1, methane. Question number 5. Through their effect on plant growth regulators, what do the temperature and light control in plants? Flowering, closure of stomata, fruit elongation, apical dominance. What is controlled by temperature and light in plants? The correct answer is option 1. They control the flowering. Question number 6. Which one of the following human organ is often called as graveyard of RBC? Kidney, spleen, liver, gallbladder. Which one of the following organs is often called as graveyard of RBC? The correct answer is spleen. And why is it called as graveyard of RBC? Because the splenic capillaries and splenic sinusoids are small, very small in size, and the RBC need to squeeze while passing through them. If the RBC is defected or if the RBC has crossed its lifetime of 120 days, it is not able to squeeze through those minute small capillaries and it gets destroyed over there. So that is why it is known as graveyard of RBC. Question number 7. Which one of the following pair of animals are similar to each other pertaining to features stated against them? Garden lizard, crocodile, three-chambered heart, Ascaris and cyclostoma, metameric segmentation, seahorse, flying fish, cold-blooded, Pteropus and Ornithorhynchus is viviparity. Which of the following pair of animals are similar with each other pertaining to the features stated against them? You have to tell of the two organisms in each option whether they have the feature that is mentioned against them or not. Both of them should have the feature. The correct answer is option 3. Seahorse and flying fish both are cold-blooded animals. Question number 8. The idea of mutations was brought forth by Gregor Mendel, who worked on Pisum sativum, Hardy Weinberg, who worked on allele frequencies in population, Charles Darwin, who observed a wide variety of organisms during sea voyage, Hugo de Vries, who worked on evening primrose. The idea of the mutation was brought forth by. The correct answer is option 4. Hugo de Vries, who worked on Evening Primrose, brought about the idea of mutation. Question number 9. Select the correct statement about biodiversity. Large-scale planting of Bt cotton has adversely affected the biodiversity. Western Ghats have a very high degree of species richness and endemism. Conservation of biodiversity is just a pad pursued by the developed countries. The desert area of Rajasthan and Gujarat have very high levels of desert animal species as well as numerous rare animals. Correct statement about biodiversity. The correct answer is option 2 is correct. Western Ghats have a very high degree of species richness and endemism. Question number 10. Plants with ovaries having only one or few ovules are generally pollinated by butterflies, birds, wind, bees. The correct answer is option 3, wind. Question number 11. Which one of the following is an amine hormone? Progesterone, thyroxine, oxypurine, insulin. Which one of the following is an amine hormone? The correct answer is option 2. Thyroxine is a amine hormone. Question number 12. Select one of the following of important features that distinguishes genitum from cycas and pinus and shows the affinity with angiosperms. Embryo development and apical meristem, absence of rhizine duct and leaf venation, presence of vessel elements and absence of archegonia, perianth and two integuments. The correct answer is option 3, presence of vessels and absence of archegonia. Question number 13. Thermococcus, Methanobacterium exemplify bacteria that contain cytoskeleton and ribosome, archaebacteria that contain protein homologous to eukaryotic core histone, archaebacteria that lack any histone resembling those found in eukaryotes but whose DNA is negatively supercoiled, bacteria whose DNA is relaxed or positively supercoiled but which have a cytoskeleton as well as mitochondria. Correct answer is option 3. It represents the archaebacteria that lack any histone resembling those found in eukaryotes but whose DNA is negatively supercoiled. Question number 14. Which one of following is heterosporous? Equisetum, Dryopteris, Salvinia, Adiantum. Heterosporous. The correct answer is option 3, that is Salvinia is heterosporous. Question number 15. In which one of the following male and female gametophyte do not have free living independent existence? Cedrus, Pteris, Funaria, Polytrichum. The correct answer is option 1, that is Cedrus. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.